Take 42.
Today we're going to be teaching you about the quotient rule, which is the rule you need to take the derivative of any function that has a fraction over it, where u is the upper part of the fraction and v is the denominator. So the derivative of the function would be equal to the bottom times the derivative of the top minus the top times the derivative of the bottom over the bottom squared. And if you use this, you can take the derivative of any function that has a fraction in it. So for our first example, we will use f of x is equal to 4x minus 5 over 3x plus 1. So 4x minus 5 is u, and 3x plus 1 is v. So f prime of x is equal to 3x plus 1 times the derivative of the top, which is 4, minus 4x minus 5 times the derivative of the bottom, which is 3, over 3x plus 1 squared. So the final answer is 12x plus 4 minus 12x minus 15 over 3x plus 1 squared, which is equal to negative 11 over 3x plus 1 squared. The derivative of anything that has just a normal number in it, like 1 or like 5, that number is not there when you take the derivative of it because it has no x power. So it just turns into 3 and 4. For our second example, we will use y is equal to 3x to the 4th plus x plus 5 over x. So that's u and that's v. So y prime is equal to x times the derivative of the top, which is 12x cubed plus 1 minus the derivative of the minus the top times the derivative of the bottom, which is 3x to the 4th plus x plus 5 times 1, because the derivative of x is 1, over x squared, which comes out to 12x to the 4th plus x minus 3x to the 4th plus x plus 5 over x squared, which is equal to 9x to the 4th plus 2x plus 5 over x squared.
It's a beauty.
And that is how you do the quotient rule. This video was brought to you by Armin
And cameraman Ryan. The end.